रत्नागिरीचे खेड लागी विनेरे हे ल्हान क्रॉसिंग स्टेशनार राविल्ले कडेन गोवा मुंबय कोकण कन्या एक्सप्रेसीचे पॅसेंजराक 4 दिसां फाटीं चोरांनी लुटिल्ले। हे असले प्रकार आयसोलेटेड भागांनी जातात। रेल्वे पुलीस सद्याक असल्या टोळ्यांक धरपाचे यत्न करता म्हूण रेल्वे मंत्री सुरेश प्रभू उलयलो।
These are the law and order issue. This is, you cannot go isolated instances. We are taking action against each one of them. If there is any problem, we will definitely take note. The police are already working on it. These are isolated instances.
Our RPF is absolutely on the job. There are a number of cases where the culprits have also been caught, and we are doing regular patrolling and surprise checks on the trains, and we are always alert. Our RPF is always alert to prevent any such incidences.
So how many culprits have been booked till now?
There have been 10 or 15 cases in the last 3 months where the culprits have been caught. There's one which was caught in first AC very recently, and they have been and the police is also with us, and we are working to prevent this problem on Konkan Railway.
Any additional measures you have taken?
No, we are doing regular patrolling and surprise patrolling, not on the same train, and we have shifted some of the constables on stations which are prone to this problem, especially at crossings. So we are taking a lot of action to see it is prevented.
नवे दूधसागर रेल्वे स्टेशन उबारपाचें काम खंय रेल्वेच्या शेड्युलार आसा।
wants to know about developing Dudhsagar station. And doubling of Konkan already has started. We will move. And Dudhsagar station, of course, will definitely do it because it's one of the very important tourist destinations. We'll definitely do it.
रत्नागिरीचे खेड लागी विनेरे हे ल्हान रेल्वे स्टेशनार राविल्ले कडेन चोरांनी लूटमार केल्ले घडणुकीचो प्रुडंटान रिपोर्ट केल्लो। हे वेळार प्रुडंटान संबंधीत रेल्वे अधिकाऱ्यांच्या कानार ही गजाल घाल्ली। आता खुद्द हे प्रकारांचेर आळबन हाडपाक रेल्वे मंत्री सुरेश प्रभून संबंधीत अधिकाऱ्यांक आदेश दिला। आता तरी हे लुटमारीचे प्रकार बंद जातात काय ना ते फुडलो काळूच सांगतलो। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी।